In this video, I will show you how to set the clock on a Volvo S60 2011. We will do everything using the center console controls and these buttons right here. So let's begin. First, press the MY car button. Using the control wheel, go to Settings and press OK. Then select System Options and press OK again. Inside the time menu, you can also choose the time format. But in this case, I don't need to change it, so we go directly to time. Next, go to time and press OK. Press OK on the hours section. Then rotate the control wheel to set the correct hour. Once selected, press OK. Do the same for the minutes. Rotate the wheel to adjust them. Then press OK to confirm. After setting the time, select OK and press the OK button once again. That's it, the clock is now set correctly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the channel for more videos, and like and subscribe if this video helped you.